Hi, today we will discuss multimedia file formats, text and image file formats in detail, along with their features, characteristics, advantages, and disadvantages, and where they have been developed and where they have been used as of now. Multimedia file formats are essential for storing and transmitting various types of data in multimedia applications. This document will discuss text and image file formats, exploring their characteristics, usage, and significance in multimedia systems. The text file formats are designed to store textual data, which can include plain text, formatted text, and metadata. The following are some common text file formats. Plain text, that is, these files store text without any formatting. They use the basic encoding schemes such as ASCII or UTF-8. The usage is it's widely used for simple data storage, configuration files, and log files. They are easily readable and editable using any text editor. The main advantages are simplicity and widely compatibility and small file size. The disadvantage is lack of formatting and structure, which can be a limitation for complex documents. The rich text file format is the next under text file formats. The characteristics developed by Microsoft RTF file supports text formatting, including fonts, colors, and images. The usage it is used for the documents that require simple formatting without the complexity of full-fledged word processes. The main advantage is it is cross platform compatibility, better formatting capabilities compared to the plain text. And the disadvantage is it occupies large size files and compared to the plain text and limited to advanced formatting options. Next, the file formats for text image file is continued with hypertext markup language. The HTML files are the backbone of web pages, as we all know, using tags to define elements such as headings, paragraphs, links, and images. So it is used for creating web pages and web applications. The main major advantages are it supports rich formatting, multimedia integration, interactivity through CSS and JavaScript. The disadvantages is complexity of coding, dependency on web browsers and rendering. Next is portable document format, that is PDF. Developed by Adobe, PDF files preserve the formatting and documents across different devices and platforms. The common usages are they are used in official documents, e-books, and printable forms. A main advantage is consistent formatting. It support for multimedia elements and security features such as encryption and digital signatures. The disadvantages goes with larger file size. It requires specific software for editing. You cannot edit as such. So the next one is image file format. Image file formats are designed to store graphical data. They vary based on compression techniques, color depth, and intended usage. The following are some of the popular file images. The first one is bitmap, which is a .bmp extension file format. The characteristics is that it stores BMP files store images as a grid of pixels without any compression technique. Each pixel is defined by its color value. Usage. It is used in applications where high quality images are required, such as graphic design. Advantages. It is high quality and simplicity of structure, whereas the disadvantages might be large file size due to a lack of compression. About compression, lossy and lossless compression, I've discussed in the previous video itself. Next one is joint photographic experts, that is .jpg or .jpeg. The main characteristics are is it uses lossy compression to reduce the file size, make them suitable for photographs and realistic images. Usage. It's widely used in digital photograph and web graphics. And the main advantages are its good balance between quality and file size and widely supported by all the media. Disadvantages: the lossy compression can degrade image quality, especially after multiple edits and saves. Third comes the interchange format, that is GIF, the well known format. GIF files use lossless compression and support animations and transparency. It is commonly used for simple graphics, logos, and animated images on the web. The major advantages are supports animations and transparency, and it occupies very small size. The disadvantages is since it is limited to only 256 colors, it is not suitable for detailed photographs. Next, next comes the portable network graphics, that is .png. The characteristics is the PNG files use lossless compression again and support transparency and a wide range of colors. When compared with the previous case, it is using wide range of colors with the combination shades of RGB. Using preferred, the usages is preferred for web graphics, logos, images requiring transparency. And advantages is a high quality image with lossless compression. It supports transparency. The disadvantages are since it is using lossless compression, obviously the size required to store this file is high, hence larger file compared to the JPEG, not suitable for animations. Next, tag image file format, that is .tif or .tif. The characteristics: the TIFF files support lossless compression and are used for storing high quality images. The usage is it is used in professional photography, scanning, and publishing. The main advantages are high quality. It supports layers and multiple pages. Advantages: it disadvantages are since the quality is increased, the high quality pictures are being defined here, obviously the file size might be more, and the structure it possesses complex structure. Next is exchangeable image file format, .exif. The characteristics: EXIF is a standard for storing metadata in image files commonly used in JPEG, TIFF formats. The main usage is it is used by digital camera to store information about camera settings, exposure, and location. The advantages: useful for photographers to manage and organize photos, preserves important metadata. The disadvantages is metadata can increase the file size, where metadata is a piece of information. It holds about the data but not the exact data what it is mentioning. The importance of file formats in multimedia. Understanding different file format is crucial for effective multimedia production and distribution. Each format has its own advantages and limitations, and the choice of format can significantly impact the quality, compatibility, and the performance of the multimedia.